So guys, welcome to our new vlog. So as you can see, all the fittings have been done. You can see the grills right here to prevent debris and everything from coming. We are also thinking to get something like a little foam here, but that would be too much, so we'll be running the current setup for now. Here's the final look of the bonnet. This is for intake to come in, all the air, that is for air to go out, and that is to keep the ambient temperature low. Apart from that, right now we are just working on our project cars, and here as you can see, the Formula car is also getting some work done. So we have the old engine out, and we have also got the new engine here. We have just randomly spray painted the engine before fitting it. So we are going to paint the chassis, we're going to paint the parts, and we're going to put the new engine in the car so that it can have the missing issue solved, because the engine head was shaped too many times, so we had to change the head. So we decided to change the whole engine so that the car can have a new life, or something you can say. Also, we are like doing 2 gearboxes for now. So one would be for the Formula 1, and second would be with the welded differential, like I told you all. So the welded differential one will help Formula go drifting. We are also gonna have an alternate setup for the arms, so that the tire can have a more angle to keep up with the drift, because the steering is not hydraulic or has power steering or anything. It's just manual steering wheel, so you have to put all that force from your hand. So for that we are going to increase it, and we're going to have 2 setups for the car. One would be the off-road, the drift one with the welded differential and more turning radius, and the other one would be the OG Formula car. Also, the go-kart is sitting right here, as right now we are working on 2 or 3 projects cars, so we couldn't complete it. But the engine is here, the mount is here, the go-kart is here. We'll soon finish it all. And right now, CNS is doing the work. We're gonna also paint the head for now. We are not powder coating or doing anything, because we want to fit the engine first and see how it looks. So stay tuned. We'll update you in regular vlogs. And also here is a new customer with his car. Let's see what happens.